Hi there, welcome back to JD Answers. Today we have the unboxing of the Urvolax 12-inch mirror dashcam with voice control. If you're new to this channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and select all notifications for all upcoming videos. Alright, let's just start with the unboxing. So let's go ahead and take out this cover. There we go. We're going to just set this to the side. And we're going to see how this box opens here. Oh, I can see a flap opening here. We're going to turn this around. And then we're going to open it here. And what we see first is the 12-inch mirror dashcam. And it did come with this covering for it, for any scratches and for safe delivery, and then there's one on the outside as well. Now this dashcam is a 1920 by 1080 full HD. It has a Sony IMX335 sensor. Also comes with WDR technology, and it has a 6 glass lens as well. So let's go ahead and take this part out and see what we got here. I'm going to remove this. Okay, and it tells you here the Type-C plug wire from the left side. So I want you to install it from the left side. Right here we have the mounts where straps go, and you put this over your rear view mirror, your existing rear view mirror. And it's a 12-inch, so it's pretty wide. It's probably larger than your standard mirror. Now this rear view mirror is voice control. You could say turn on screen, show front camera, turn off screen, turn off audio, and even take photo. So this is pretty neat. And you also, looks like it's the power button to turn it on right here. You see what else it has in there. And it does have a 32 gigabyte micro SD card, which is inside the dashcam already. So you don't have to buy one, there's one in there already. Here you have the mini USB port, which is for the rear view camera. Well, I'm sorry, it's actually for the power. Here is the Type-C port. This is where you connect all your front and rear camera. Also probably GPS as well. And I believe this is, okay, here we go. This is the actual 32 gigabyte micro SD card, and it's by SanDisk. So that's pretty good quality right there. Next, you got the cable, and I believe this is the long cable. So this is going to be for the rear view camera, and it is very thick. This is a very heavy duty camera cable here, and you do have the red cable to which you will put to your backup light, which makes your camera a backup camera, and when it has the grid lines and so forth, so help you back up. So if you have a boat or a trailer, this is going to help you. And you can see the connections here. And we'll see where these connect to. I know this is probably going to be the rear camera for sure. Here is actually one of the cameras. And this is going to be the inside camera. And it has a 3M mounting tab, and it also has an extra one in there. So this is always good. It's always good to have an extra. And you can see that the cam does go up and down and around here. You can see the rotation, and this is going to help you when you're trying to adjust your camera. And it is pretty firm, so once you leave it there, it's going to be stuck there. It's going to be to that point. It won't be moving around. Alright, so that's that cable here. Next one, let's see what's in this one here. This one looks like it's actually the rear view camera. Let's see here. Oh, this is pretty hard there. This is a metal one, which you can hear that. So this is a metal one. This is going to be in the inside, so this one's a little bit more plastic. You can hear that. But this is metal. This is going to be very good for the outside. And you can see the way it's shaped. So it's not going to get in the way of anything. And it's good so when it rains, the water will be dripping downward. because there's other cameras with wires where sometimes with the wires and the dash cams the way it is, it will follow the pattern of the wire and go inside the car. This one will keep everything going down. And there's also a mounting bracket for it as well, and it does have a 3M mounting tape as well, so that's always good to have there. There's the camera and then the wire connection. Here we go. We have the cable, and this one has two connections, and it has a Type-C connection here. Let me get that up there. You can see. There you go. One's going to be for the front camera, and we'll see what the next one's going to be. We're going to keep on looking to see what we can match these up with, because this is going to be your connection to your rear view camera. So this one is coming from your rear view camera cable. It's going to be connected in here. So the front camera will have the connections. One is for the rear view, one is for the front view. Both of them are going into this Type-C. This cable right here. Here we go. This one here is the GPS. This is the GPS unit. Again, the 3M mounting tabs. And this one you attach this to the front windshield towards the top. And this is the 3.5 connection where I said it was going to connect to the rear camera, but based on other dash cams, but it's actually for the GPS. So that's going to go right here. And then the other one we saw, the Type-C, we'll be having it right here. There it is. And so far, these are your cables where they go. And we got the GPS, and we have the front dash cam connected. Let's see what else we got in this box so we can see what else is going here. All right, it looks like this is the power cable. Here we go. Here we go. Look, we also got the mounting brackets, which the bands, which I'll show you how this goes in just a minute. But this is going to be the power cable. And this is going to go to your dash cam again. And that's going to go right over here. And you go the connections on the top. And this is where it's going so far here. So let's see if we can see these connections here. Power, GPS, and front and rear camera. And then with this cable here, this is going to be the rear view, which is just connected like that. And this is the backup camera, rear view camera, all in one there. So this is all the connections. We got all the connections where it goes. This is a lot of wire, but not to worry. This is all going to be under the headliner, under the weather strip, everywhere on the car. Now, if you're interested in the installation of this camera, subscribe to this channel because the installation is coming soon. Let's see what else we got in this box. I'm going to go ahead and undo all these here. Alright, so if you got this dash cam and you didn't order the additional brackets, this is pretty much where it ends on the installation part. So what you do is you put this around your rear view mirror already you have. Let's say this is it here. Alright, then you get your straps. You just hook them in on one side, go to the other side, and you connect it in. Now, if you have a tighter fit, well, there's more grooves on there where you could tighten up with that one as well. You could go in here. So there's different positions, different adjustments on this. And this is how you would use it over an existing rear view mirror. Now there is also additional mounting tabs as well if needed for smaller rear view mirror. There's more of these here. Then you got some hardware where if you want to use this for guiding your cables. Well, we don't use this because all the cables we have will always be hidden. Nothing will be visible. But this is good to have. Thank you for that. Then you got your manual for this. Gives you on the installation. It gives you some specifications on this. What it is, just a basic manual here. Alright. Then you got this here. This little tool to help you with the installation. But if you bought the additional brackets, this is what you're going to get. This is the additional brackets. Okay, this is what you're going to use, is because you're going to take off your existing rear view mirror and you're going to put this unit on with this bracket, and then this is going to be your rear view mirror. Because what's going to show here is what is projected from this cam right here. So let's go ahead and look what's inside this bag here. We're going to move all this to the side. You got this bracket, which can be attached to the rear view mirror mount in just a minute. You got 2 screwdrivers. Each one of these has its purpose because there's 2 different sizes. So this is pretty neat that it provides you the tools that you need so you don't have to guess or go finding them. It's all right here. So you got your 2 screwdrivers there. We have this here. This is where when you take off your rear view mirror. And then with this you also got, because this is going to go over the holder, you also got the 3M mounting pad for this as well. This is the arm, the bracket. Okay. And it also has something in there. I want to look at this real quick. Okay, these are all the hardware for this. So let's see how really this goes together. Let's finish up with the hardware, which explains the screwdrivers for each one. And this is for the hardware. You got the screwdriver as well for it. Okay, let's see. You also have a cloth, which is good, so when you wipe down the mirror, you don't get no fingerprints and so forth. It's a microfiber cloth. And you got, let's see here, 2 screens. These screens help reduce the reflection from sunlight, so this is going to be very helpful for you. If you need it, great. If you don't, well, you have it just in case in the box here. So if you take a look here, there is a lot of items in here. There is a lot of items to install this dashcam. But if you want to learn, and if you want to install one in your vehicles, again, subscribe to the channel, and we'll show you step by step on how to do this. If this video was helpful for you, please give me that thumbs up, because I appreciate that from you and it really helps out this channel. I have links in the description down below if you wish to purchase this dashcam. If you have any questions about this dashcam or installations, please leave them in the comments section down below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.